Hi, I'm Deborah Parizek with Henry Ford Learning Institute. We're an education-focused nonprofit that advances equity and excellence in education for young people and the adults who serve them, especially those who live and work in marginalized communities. We do this by creating innovative schools in Michigan and Texas and hands-on learning programs with national reach that are grounded in deeper learning by doing and prepare individuals to thrive and lead, driving positive social change with their efforts. We've done this work for over 20 years and have graduated accomplished seniors, served educators with workshops, coaching, and curriculum, and developed powerful learning programs for young people to learn and lead in community-connected experiences. But it's not enough. We need to continue efforts to transform learning, teaching, and leading in order to meet the challenges of our ever-changing world. We need to refine and expand opportunities for young people to build their capacity to identify and address complex problems, develop innovative solutions, lead change while working with others, and draw on the strengths of their unique identities as they do so. We continue to provide training, resources, and support to their educators who strive to facilitate meaningful learning for our young people. This isn't work we can or should do alone. At HFLI, we are part of this education community, learning from, working with, and creating alongside students and educators, community and nonprofit leaders, those who know best what they need in order to gain equity and excellence in education. We invite you to be part of our community too.